Okay, we're going to be talking about angles around a point. Angles around a point have a sum of 360 degrees. So we're going to talk about a few different angle relationships. When two lines intersect at a point, each pair of angles across from each other are congruent. So two intersecting lines form two pairs of vertical angles. So we have angles 1, 2, 3, and 4. Angles 1 and 3 are congruent, and angles 2 and 4 are congruent. And then also angle 1 and angle 4 are a linear pair. So remember yesterday we talked about a linear pair are adjacent supplementary angles. And then angles 2 and 3 are also a linear pair. They equal 180. So if I know that that bottom angle is 67 degrees, because I know that vertical angles are congruent, I know that x equals 67 degrees. This is an O, a letter O, not a 0. The middle point is letter O. So in this example, I want you to find x and find the measure of angle DOG. So we know that vertical angles are congruent. So the first equation I can set up is that x minus 17 equals 157. So x equals 174. Now that I know what x equals, to find the measure of DOG, that's this angle here, I can say that that angle and GOF are a linear pair. So angle DOG plus 157 equals 180. So the measure of angle DOG, what is it? 23. 23 degrees. So I have x minus 12 degrees and x minus 22 degrees. And this reflex angle is 296. I want you to find x find what x minus 12 degrees equals, and find what x minus 22 degrees equals. So I know that angles around a point all add up to 360. So I can just add all of these and they will total 360. So x equals 49. And now that I know x, I can solve for x minus 12 and x minus 22. 49 minus 12 is 37, and 49 minus 22 is 27. And then you can check your work. Does all of that add up to 360? We have 296 plus 37 plus 27. And if it equals 360, then you know your math was correct. Okay, last example. We have 3 intersecting lines here. I have X, Y, and Z. And I know that these two are 82 degrees. Find X, find Y, and find Z. So let's start with the numbers that we have. We have 82 here, which means that because these are vertical angles, Y is also 82. So we can just fill that one in. And then we have the other 82 here, which means that the one across from that is also 82 degrees. So now we just need X and Z, and we know that they are equal to each other because they are vertical angles. Yes, Y is 82 because it's across from that 82. So now we need to find X or Z, and we know that this whole part would be equal to 180. We call that a linear triple. So we have linear pairs that equal 180, and this would be a linear triple. So 82 plus 82 plus whatever X is equals 180.
16?
Yes, X equals 16, which means what does Z equal? 16. All right, so your practice is in Delta Math today.